Hello kiddos, how are you? Welcome to the English literature video classes. We are doing our lesson of travel stories, right? And here we are going to finish the lesson today. We have already done the exercises. I hope you have done your homework, that is the writing part. And what was it? It was about describing the place that you have visited or traveled and what are the things that you like over there, right? वहाँ पे आपको टॉपिक्स लिखे थे, उस टॉपिक्स के अकॉर्डिंगली आपको चीज़ें लिखनी थी. एंड आई होप कि आपने मेरा लिखावट कॉपी नहीं किया है एंड आपने अपनी पसंद की जगह लिखी होगी, राइट? ओके, नाउ चलो लेट्स डू द पोएम अगेन टुडे. हम आज फिर से एक बार पोएम करेंगे. सो वी विल डू द पोएम अगेन. And what you have to do is you have to recite the poem with me. आपको मेरे साथ साथ poem बोलना है so that you know how to spell it. You have to recite and read the poem with me. So shall we start? Are we ready? Okay. Now, I saw a ship a-sailing. Read with me. I saw a ship a-sailing. That means एक ship को देखा जो सेल करने वाला था, जाने वाला था पानी में. A-sailing on the sea. कहाँ पर? On the sea. Sea मतलब समंदर. राइट? ओके, एक मस्ती वाली चीज़ करते हैं. कैन यू टेल मी one letter, that is only one alphabet which can be written to denote sea? Come on, tell me. है ऐसा कोई अल्फ़ाबेट आपको पता है? Yes, there is. The letter C from the English alphabet, isn't it? अगर आप C बोलो तो SEAC हो जाता है ना? C, अरे वाह, SEEC वाला भी C हो गया, right? So C is the letter which denotes पानी वाला C and देखने वाला C, दोनों, right? Okay, now this was मस्ती. चलो, let's proceed. I saw a ship a-sailing on the sea, and oh, but it was laden with pretty things for thee. Laden मतलब loaded. किन चीज़ों से? Pretty things for thee. बहुत सारे pretty things थे उसमें. There were comfits in the cabin and apples in the hold. कॉम्फिट्स का मतलब बॉक्सेस, ट्रंक्स कैबिन में थे. एंड एप्पल्स इन द होल्ड. होल्ड मतलब रैक्स. सो एप्पल्स रैक्स में थे. द सेल्स वेयर मेड ऑफ सिल्क. एज आई टोल्ड यू, व्हाट आर द सेल्स? ये जो पर्दे हैं, शिप के पर्दे, इनको सेल्स बोलते हैं. एंड द मास्ट वेयर ऑफ गोल्ड. मास्ट का मतलब ये वाला भी होता है, ये ऊपर का गुंबद, जिसको मास्ट बोलते हैं. द 4 and 20 sailors. 4 and 20 sailors मतलब 20 plus 4. How much is it? It is 24. That means total 24 sailors थे शिप के ऊपर. The 4 and 20 sailors that stood between the decks. Decks क्या होता है? ऐसे लाइंस बने होते हैं ना शिप में, एक के बाद एक डेक्स बने होते हैं. Were 4 and 20 white mice with chains about their necks. क्या थे? जो सेलर्स थे, 24 सेलर्स, वो कौन थे? They were white mice. with chains about their necks. गले में उनके chains लटके थे. The captain was a duck. See, duck है ना? The captain. Duck was the captain of the ship. With a packet on his back. और इसके back में एक packet था. So 24 mice plus 1 duck. Total कितने हो गए? 25 travelers on the ship, right? And when the ship began to move, जब ship चलने लगा तो क्या हुआ? The captain said quack quack, क्योंकि duck तो quack quack ही करता है. So the captain said quack quack. Now as I told you, what is quack quack? Quack quack is an onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia क्या होता है? Certain words जो किसी sound को describe करते हैं, like zapak, छपाक, right? Ting tong, tring tring, knock knock. So all these words are onomatopoeias. Bang, zoom, honk, है ना? These are onomatopoeias. So this was about the poetry. Now turn the page. Come to page number 89. Now here in page number 90, what do we have? We have questions and answers related to the poem. Now let's read the questions and then answer it. Right? Okay. Now see. Who was the captain and who all were his crew? Crew matlab the sailors, right? So who was the captain? As we saw it in the poem, the captain was a duck. And who were the sailors or the crews? The white mice, right? 24 white mice. So what will be the answer? Captain was a duck. And 24 white mice were crew. Right? Captain was the duck. And 24 white mice were the crew members. Right? Done? चलो, shall we proceed? ये आपका क्लास वर्क है. हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में क्या करते थे? क्लास वर्क आप मेरे साथ साथ लिखते थे ना. सिमिलरली आपको अभी वीडियो देख देख के साथ साथ में लिखना है. सो दिस इज योर क्लास वर्क फॉर टुडे. एंड व्हाट इज द डेट टुडे? टुडे इज 9/9/20. In next class we will start the next lesson. So we have to finish it off today. What all was the ship carrying? Ship में क्या क्या चीज़ें थे? What was the ship carrying? Ship was carrying the, look, it's written over there, isn't it? Comfits in the cabin, apples in the hold, and the sails were of silk and masts were of gold. So, what were the ship carrying? Comfits in the cabin, apples in the hold, sails of silk, masts of gold. Right? So, all these things the ship was carrying. Now, see. What was, are we done with B? B हो गया आपका. Shall we proceed to C? चलो, let's proceed to C. Now what C is having? What was so special about the crew of the ship? जो शिप का क्रू था उसके बारे में कौन सी स्पेशल बात लिखी है? The crew were white mice with chains around neck. एक होता mouse और mouse का plural is mice, right? So there were 24 mice, and how were they? They were white. So that is why the answer will be, who were the crew members? They were white mice with chains around neck. एक तो वो white mice थे, उसके ऊपर से उन्होंने chains पहने थे. Okay? Done? Are we finished? Have we finished our work? Shall we proceed to D number? Chalo, let's do D number. In total, how many sailors were on the ship? Ship में total कितने sailors थे? Including the duck also, right? So 24 mice and 1 duck. So total 25, right? So what is the answer? There were total 25 sailors including captain. Captain was the duck. So duck को include करते हुए there were 25 sailors. Okay. Now exercise number 2 is your homework. Very easy. See, I'm giving it for you. What is it? You have to mark. कौन कौन सी चीज़ें क्या है इस शिप में. So what is this? जहाँ पे झंडा लगा है ये गुंबज, दिस इज नोन एज मास्ट. MAST, मास्ट. ये शिप के पर्दे जिससे शिप चलता है, दैट इज नोन एज सेल. SAIL, सेल. नेक्स्ट, होल्ड. होल्ड मतलब शिप का रैक, लकड़ी. सो दिस इज द होल्ड. एंड द लास्ट वन, दिस इज द डेक. डेक क्या होता है? जहाँ पे खड़े होकर इन बाहर, शिप के बाहर देखा जा सके. दैट प्लेस इज नोन एज डेक. सो मास्ट, सेल, होल्ड एंड deck. Done? Levels लिख लिए. Shall we move to the next page? चलो, let's move. Here, see, what is it? Study the following advertisement. Incredible India. Atithi Devo Bhava. What is Atithi? Atithi is a guest. Devo matlab God. Bhava is. So in total, what is the meaning? Guest is a god, right? In India, we call guest as a god. Now you have to look at the pictures here and tell which is right and which is wrong. If there is a guest, इंडिया का अगर कोई गेस्ट है तो उसका बैग लेकर भागना चाहिए क्या? चोरी करते हैं गेस्ट का? नहीं ना. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. डन. नेक्स्ट, यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? देखो, दिस गर्ल इज टेलिंग हिम द वे. रास्ता बता रही है ना. दिस गर्ल इज रास्ता बता रही है टूरिस्ट को, गेस्ट को. सो दिस इज राइट. अगर कोई गेस्ट है हमारी कंट्री में और वो रास्ता पूछता है तो हमें सही रास्ता बताना चाहिए, है ना. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर दिस पीपल डूइंग? दिस पीपल आर टीजिंग दिस गर्ल, विच इज नॉट राइट, रॉन्ग. क्योंकि हम अपने गेस्ट को कभी भी टीज, परेशान नहीं करते, छेड़ते नहीं है, है ना. दिस इज रॉन्ग. Next, what is this person doing? Holding hand, catching up to catch the train. This is right. अगर किसी की ट्रेन छूट गई है और आप हाथ देकर खींच सकते हो उसको, तो आपको ऐसा करना चाहिए, बट बड़े लोगों को, छोटे बच्चों को नहीं. आपको मतलब आपके पेरेंट्स को, या फिर कोई भी अगर गेस्ट है जिसकी ट्रेन या गाड़ी छूट गई है और आपको पता है कि वो रह गया है, तो यू शुड हेल्प देम आउट. So this is all for this chapter. In the next class, we will start a new chapter, and that chapter is very interesting one. What is it? It is wit and wisdom. And in this chapter, we will study the story of Akbar Birbal. Okay? So that is all for today. Catch you up in the next class. Do your homeworks, right? Chalo. Done then.